Hey plant lovers! In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of exotic indoor succulents that look like they belong on another planet. From chubby moonstones to playful string of dolphins, these unique plants are not only eye-catching but also super easy to care for. If you love stylish greenery that adds charm to your home with minimal effort, you are in the right place. Get ready to discover stunning textures, unusual shapes, and perfect pots for your indoor exotic succulent collection. Let's get started. Flapjack plant, also known as Kalanchoe luziae, is a stunning succulent loved for its bold, paddle-shaped leaves that look like stacked pancakes. The leaves start as a soft green but develop beautiful red edges when exposed to bright sunlight, making it a real showstopper indoors. This plant thrives in well-draining soil and needs minimal watering, perfect for beginners. Place it near a sunny window to bring out its vibrant colors. Flapjack plant is not just low maintenance, it also adds a modern, sculptural vibe to your space. A perfect choice if you want drama, color, and easy care in one plant. Jelly bean plant, or Sedum rubrotinctum, is a cute and colorful succulent known for its plump, bean-shaped leaves that look good enough to eat. The leaves shift from green to bright red at the tips when the plant gets plenty of sunlight, creating a playful, candy-like appearance. It's perfect for small pots, desks, and sunny windowsills. This succulent loves bright light, well-draining soil, and only occasional watering since overwatering can cause leaf drop. Its trailing growth also makes it great for hanging planters. Easy to grow and full of personality, jelly bean plant adds a cheerful pop of color to any indoor plant collection. Baby toes, scientifically known as Fenestraria rhopalophila, is one of the most unusual and adorable succulents you can grow indoors. Its chubby, finger-like leaves have transparent tips, often called leaf windows, that help the plant absorb light even when partially buried in sand in its natural habitat. This compact plant loves bright light and gritty, well-draining soil. Water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out completely, as overwatering can cause rot. Baby toes looks amazing in small decorative pots and adds a fun, quirky touch to any plant shelf. It's a tiny plant with big personality and a true conversation starter. Tiger Joss, or Fockeria tigrina, is a fierce-looking but totally friendly little succulent. Its thick, triangular leaves have soft, tooth-like edges that resemble an open animal mouth, giving the plant its wild name. Despite the dramatic look, it's easy to grow indoors. It loves bright light, a sunny windowsill, and gritty, well-draining soil. Water lightly and let the soil dry fully between waterings, especially in cooler months. In the right conditions, it even produces cheerful yellow daisy-like flowers. Compact and eye-catching, Tiger Joss adds texture, character, and a bold desert vibe to any indoor plant collection. Moonstones, botanically known as Pachyphytum oviferum, is a dreamy succulent famous for its plump, rounded leaves that look like smooth pastel pebbles. The leaves often appear in soft shades of blue, pink, or lavender with a powdery coating that gives a frosted, glowing effect. This plant loves bright indirect light and well-draining soil to prevent root rot. Water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out completely between watering. Its compact, sculptural form makes it perfect for small pots and aesthetic plant displays. Gentle handling is best, as the powdery coating can rub off. Moonstones add a soft, magical touch to any indoor space. Burro's tail, or Sedum morganianum, is a gorgeous trailing succulent known for its long, cascading stems packed with plump, teardrop-shaped leaves. The soft blue-green foliage creates a lush, flowing look that's perfect for hanging baskets or high shelves where the stems can spill down beautifully. This plant loves bright light and well-draining soil, and it prefers infrequent watering since the leaves store water. Handle gently, as the leaves fall off easily when touched. With the right care, Burro's tail becomes a stunning indoor statement plant, adding texture, movement, and a relaxed desert vibe to your home decor. Living stones or lithops. These are some of the most fascinating succulents you can grow indoors. These tiny plants are famous for looking exactly like small pebbles, which helps them blend into their natural desert surroundings. Their thick, split leaves store water, making them extremely drought-tolerant. Lithops love bright light, gritty, well-draining soil, and very careful watering. Too much water can easily cause rot. They follow a unique growth cycle, often producing a daisy-like flower from the center. Compact, unusual, and full of character, living stones are perfect for collectors who love rare and quirky plants. Copper spoons or Kalanchoe originalis is a striking succulent known for its velvety, spoon-shaped leaves in rich bronze and copper tones. The fuzzy surface gives the plant a soft texture, while the metallic coloring adds a warm, dramatic touch to indoor spaces. It thrives in bright light, which deepens its color, and prefers well-draining soil with infrequent watering. Overwatering should be avoided, as the plant stores moisture in its thick leaves. With its upright growth and bold appearance, copper spoons works beautifully as a statement plant on shelves or sunny windowsills, bringing a cozy, earthy elegance to your succulent collection. String of pearls or Senecio rollenus is a stunning trailing succulent loved for its round, bead-like leaves that look like a cascade of green pearls. The spherical leaves store water, helping the plant handle dry conditions with ease. It thrives in bright, indirect light and well-draining soil, making it perfect for hanging planters or high shelves where the vines can spill down beautifully. Water sparingly and allow the soil to dry out between watering, as excess moisture can cause root rot. Elegant and eye-catching, string of pearls adds a soft, flowing texture and modern charm to any indoor plant display. Crinkle leaf plant or Adromiscus cristatus is a charming succulent admired for its thick, wavy-edged leaves that look like they've been gently ruffled. The soft green foliage often has a slightly textured surface, giving it a unique sculptural appeal. This compact plant is perfect for small pots and indoor plant shelves. It prefers bright, indirect light and well-draining soil to stay healthy. Water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry completely between watering, as excess moisture can cause root rot. With its quirky leaf shape and easy care nature, crinkle leaf plant adds personality and visual interest to any indoor succulent collection. Blue chalksticks, botanically known as Senecio serpens, is a striking succulent admired for its slender, finger-like leaves in a beautiful powdery blue shade. The cool-toned foliage creates a soft, modern look that pairs perfectly with neutral pots and bright indoor spaces. This plant thrives in bright light and well-draining soil, and it needs only occasional watering since it stores moisture in its leaves. Overwatering should be avoided to prevent root rot. Blue chalksticks can spread and trail over time, adding texture and contrast to plant arrangements. It's an easy care, stylish succulent that brings a calm, coastal vibe to indoor decor. String of dolphins or Senecio peregrinus is a playful and eye-catching trailing succulent known for its leaves shaped like tiny jumping dolphins. This unique leaf shape makes it a favorite for indoor plant lovers who want something fun and unusual. It grows beautifully in hanging pots or on high shelves where the delicate vines can cascade down. The plant prefers bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. Water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry between watering, as too much moisture can cause root rot. Cute, quirky, and easy to maintain, string of dolphins adds charm and personality to any indoor succulent display. Zebra haworthia or Haworthiopsis attenuata is a compact and eye-catching succulent loved for its dark green leaves covered in bold white stripes. The pointed leaves grow in a neat rosette shape, giving the plant a stylish, modern look that fits perfectly on desks, shelves, or small tables. It thrives in bright, indirect light but can also tolerate lower light, making it great for indoor spaces. Use well-draining soil and water only when the soil is completely dry. Hardy and low maintenance, Zebra haworthia is an excellent choice for beginners who want a decorative plant with minimal care needs. If you loved discovering these unique beauties, hit like, share with your plant-loving friends, and subscribe for more indoor plant inspiration.